students, today we're going to look in your pink book, page 25, Reading, Comprehending Information, Resume. What is a resume? A resume is a paper that you take. It has your name, your address, your jobs that you did in the past, okay? And also your education. So you take this paper to the company you want to work for, and you can give it to the manager and ask, do you have any job openings? Here is my resume. So sometimes you need a job application. Remember the job application in your white book? Some jobs you have job application, and some jobs you need a resume. Okay, so we will look at the resume today. So who wrote this resume? Who is this for? Alan A. Dale. That's his name. This is Alan's resume. This is his address, 1407 Street, Regina, Saskatchewan, S5K 8M3, and his phone number 306-756-2864. And usually also you have an email address here. Okay, so you would have Alan 1979 at gmail.com, because usually we have email addresses when you're looking for a job, because that's usually how the manager will contact you, either phone or email. But you must have an email if you are looking for a job. Now we have work experience. So remember, you have the most recent, okay, and the old job is at the bottom, and the recent job is first. So this is the 2010 to 2015. Alan was a construction worker. He worked at Build It All Construction Company, Regina, Saskatchewan. Now you have your skill, or what were your duties? Built houses and fences. Okay. So do you remember what you know what a house is? And a fence is what goes around the house. Okay, maybe you have a dog and you need a fence so your dog or your children don't get out. That is a fence. So we have the job title, what job is it, the company, and the duty. The duty here. 2008 to 2010, painter. Company, choose your color company, Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. And the duty was painted houses and buildings. 2006 to 2008, housekeeper. Super 8 Hotel, Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan. And his duty was he cleaned rooms. Also, we have education in our resume. 2004 to 2006, SciAst, Regina, Saskatchewan, full-time carpentry diploma. So this is a diploma, is a certificate for carpentry, to build houses, build fences. 2000 to 2004, Lawrence High School, Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan, graduated. So we know that Alan went to high school in Moose Jaw, and he worked at a hotel when he finished high school. Then he moved to Saskatoon, and now he is in Regina. So you might be wondering the word resume. That is a very difficult word to pronounce. It is because this word is French. Okay, so some words that we use in English are French, so they're difficult to pronounce. So in French, this has an accent, resume. So in English, if you look, you might say resume. But we don't say resume when we're looking here. We say resume because this word is French for a paper you give to your boss. Another word for resume you might hear is called a CV. Okay, a CV has a long name. We don't need to learn it in level 1 and 2, but it's the same thing as a resume, but a resume is usually 1 page, and a CV is 2, 3, 4 pages sometimes. When you go to university and you have many degrees and a lot of experience, you need many pages. Maybe you are an engineer. You will need a CV because you need many pages for your education and work experience. But if you want to be a construction worker, a cashier, a salesperson, you need a resume, just 1 page, or a job application. So students, turn the page and read the questions on page 26 and answer the questions in complete sentences, and take a picture of page 26 and send it to me. Thanks. Bye.